In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a rusty screw. As you can see, we've got a piece of wood here with a rusty screw in it. Fortunately, we're quite lucky on this one because you can still make out the crosshead at the top. So you want to select the right bit. Here we've got a Pozi 2 bit in our drill, and we've got a Pozi 2 head on our screw. Now, before you start trying to remove a rusty screw, to give yourself the best possible chance, what I always like to do is use a pick or maybe another screw, and I just like to clean out the screw head of any loose rust. If you don't do this, what happens is the loose rust builds up in the screw head. As soon as you put your drill in and try and remove the screw, your bit doesn't locate properly. The loose rust causes your bit to then bite. If there's loose rust within the screw, your bit won't locate properly into the screw head, and sometimes the bit can start spinning in the head of the screw and shear the head of the screw. So it's always best to clean out any loose rust with another screw, and then you know that your bit's going to locate properly into the top of the screw head. Always make sure that when you use your drill to remove a rusty screw, you try and keep your drill at the same angle that the screw went in at. And I always like to keep a bit of pressure on the top of the drill whenever I'm removing it. Make sure your drill's set into reverse. As you can see on this drill, we need to flick that across. Weight on the top of the drill, make sure it's in reverse. Remove the loose rust from the top of the screw head, and then just slowly move the trigger. And if the drill does start spinning in the screw head, you want to stop immediately, otherwise you risk damaging the head. And then slowly, in reverse, you should be able to remove the screw. Now, if your rusty screw has snapped, we've got another video showing how to remove a snapped rusted screw. You should always attempt to remove your rusted screw first with either a cordless drill or a hand screwdriver. Sometimes if you're not that confident, a hand screwdriver can be best because then you've more control when you remove the screw. You can really make sure you've got a load of weight on the rusted screw and you can have a bit more control.